Good morning, second video on Thursday, May 28th. We're coming right down to the end here, so it's real important that you listen to the videos. Don't skip videos and informations from your teacher, really important. Okay, I'm just going to go through what you're going to do today because I had some problems. There is no instructional video, it says in language arts, so just again answer the questions. I think you can wade through that, but there's some things missing there. I had problems with certain things and I don't want to get into it. I just want to help you get started. So if you look at the little information here, you're going to read the infograph, History of Fun in Storyworks, and do questions. You're going to read 13.8 Treaty of Paris, finally this Revolutionary War, 1783, and do the homework check. You're going to read this cartoon right here, and you're going to look at National Hamburger Day. And hi, my name is Stop That, but sometimes they call me Get Back Here. If you have a dog, you can relate to that. Okay, so boys and girls, the big issue of the day is, do you want a letter grade or a pass no credit? I would assume that everybody would want a letter grade if you had an A or B or maybe even C. But if you're not doing so well with the distant learning, you might want a pass, no grade. So if you're doing pretty well, but you have to message me, otherwise you get a pass, no grade. So if you want a letter grade, you have to tell me. But I assume there's a lot because a lot of you did really well distant learning. Some didn't do as well, and they might want to pass no credit. So you got to message me, ask your parents. Okay, so let's look at uh, let's look at what's in Schoology, and so you go to Schoology, and let's see, can I do this? Back arrow, back arrow, and you're going to go in History of Fun, Language Arts. The part that's not there is complete the history of fun. Okay, I held up that Civil War bullet. Is the attendance question? Let me see if I can grab that real fast. Civil War bullet. Oh, I did. It's right here. Civil War bullet. And that's kind of a cool. Mr. Spencer Johnson gave this to me. No longer teaching. I don't know if I've ever held that up before. Okay, so letter grade. Oh, the other thing that's coming up is parade, a farewell parade. And this was sent to you, but that's on June 3rd, 1 to 3. And the teacher's going to be lined up in the middle school, and you drive through. Here's fifth grade, would be uh, right there. Fifth grade team will be lined up. I think that's like, is that in the front or back? But you got this from the middle school. And I might make a copy of this and send it to you. I don't know. Just thought of that right now. So that's coming up. That's next week. Okay, so letter grade parade's coming up. On Tuesday, I'll expect everybody to be at a Zoom meeting. On Tuesday, I'll send you that information. Okay, a lot going on. I told you there was. I told you there was a lot going on. Some of you are saying, hey, I'm not listening to that. Finish strong, finish strong. Did you finish your reading plus assessment? And here is the, oh, I pressed the wrong one. Isn't that great? When you do that, Mr. Foster? See if I can get back. Oh my gosh, log in. Don't look at my login message. Oh my gosh, what did it do? Anyways, that didn't go to Storyworks. What are you doing? Storyworks, okay. Well, at any rate, you got your assignments for today. I think you'll like that info graph of fun. Where is that? I know you're getting dizzy with all. Oh, by the way, look forward. We're going to take you on a big field trip at the end of the year. Couple big field trips at the end of the year. How are we going to do that? magic, magic. So that's it. 5-minute video. That's long enough. Get to work. Finish strong. Finish strong.